with the chuck. So the screw have to be in. You got to press it. That was the same. Unlock the spindles. So your beam locations in the top and lock it. Moving backwards, sit. They have like 3 holes. 3 locations, 1, 2, 3. Your chuck and then that's good one. Then you want to locate the threads. Has the main spindle. It's a make an opening close. So you want to use the wrench. And then with the pedal, you're going to press it, to push it, and then keep it in the middle. It's not pressing, it's not pulling, so you're not messing with your threads. Lock the spindle so you can locate the jaw number 1, and there's going to be a mark in there, a little square with a mark. So that's close, that's open. You don't have a lot of room, so you have to loose your chuck a little bit. So right here, every time you turn it, it's going to be moving your opening and your close. Now let's test them. So now it's closed, it's open. Have to be a little bit more open. This is how you control your opening, your close. So right now it's close and it's open. I have more trouble. Open and close. And after that's done, you have to go to settings and change the direction of the